Imagine running a business for years, then one day a new regulation drops, and suddenly you have only a year to comply. A year might seem long, but for industries, it's a blink of an eye. Applies to those manufacturing pumps, cranes, weaving machine, diesel generator, transformer, metal cutting machine, construction equipment, compressors, switchgear. The Ministry of Heavy Industries has introduced the Machinery and Electrical Equipment Safety Omnibus Technical Regulation Order with 2024, which will come into effect on August 28, 2025. These new safety norms aim to align India with global safety standards. While this is a great step towards improving quality and safety, it also means strict compliance for over 1.5 lakhs manufacturers, 90% of which are MSMEs. So, what does this mean, businesses? Let's break it down step by step. Welcome to MindSync, your compliance guard. MindSync is a professional organization providing compliance, consulting, legal and advisory services. This regulation applies to machinery and electrical equipment manufactured or imported into India. It introduces 3 levels of safety standards. Type A standards, general, safety principles for machinery design and risk reduction. Type B standards, general, safety guidelines covering particular safety issues. Type C standards, detailed safety requirements for specific machinery or equipment. Over 50,000 different types of machinery across 463 product categories are affected, including pumps, compressors, centrifuges, cranes, construction machinery, textile machines, transformers, switchgear, power semiconductor converters. This certification will be done under SchemeX certification by the Bureau of Indian Standards. Now, let's look into the exemptions. This does not affect those which are already falling under any of the 3 regulations. Products already regulated by BIS orders, construction equipment under CMVR Rule 1989, goods manufactured exclusively for export. Now, let's look into the process of BIS certification. Application, submission, register your product under the relevant BIS standards. Confused on which standard applies to your product? Don't worry, we are here to guide you. Drop your questions on the mail ID below. Next is product testing. Get your product tested in BIS approved laboratories. Factory inspection. BIS officials inspect your manufacturing unit for compliance verification. Ensure all standards are met before certification is granted. Without BIS approval, your products may face import restrictions, regulatory penalties, or even market rejection. Contact us today to navigate the process smoothly. Now, let's look into the applicable sectors or products. The Machinery and Electrical Equipment Safety OLE Regulation Order 2024 is a game changer for Indian manufacturing. While it brings global safety standards into the country, the tight deadline poses a challenge, especially for MSMEs. What should businesses do now? Identify affected products in your portfolio, start compliance checks early to avoid last-minute hurdles, consult with industry experts for guidance, stay updated on potential deadline extensions. Have questions? Contact us to know more. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such informative content.